In this video, you are going to see how to change the default font and font size when I open the Microsoft Excel workbook. Here, if I open a Microsoft Excel workbook, you will see my default font is Times New Roman and the font size is 24. So what is the exact way to do this? For this, let us go to File, go to Option, and under the general option you will find use this font as the default font. I have the Times New Roman. If I want to change it to another font, let us choose Time Burner, and I want to make the font size to 36, and let us click on OK. And here you will see a pop-up. Please close and restart Microsoft Excel so that the font change can be take effect. Click on OK. Now let us close the Excel. Let us open a new Excel workbook. Click on Excel, click on blank workbook, and here you will see I have changed the font and the font size. If you want to change it again, go to File, go to Option, and from here you can change it to Times New Roman and the font size is 12. Click on OK, click on OK. Let us close it and go to Excel, click on blank workbook, and here is the output. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.